jumbled in my mind 'cause I was empty, so I end up saying all these things I wasn't intending to say. You know, I wish things could change, but does it really matter?
인덕션 조리를 시작합니다.
Should probably do so I can get you in tied down and finally cut myself loose. To say, does it really matter anyway? I wish things could change, but does it really matter anyway? If all I do is just wait.
예약 시간이 3분 남.
Said all the wrong words, but I pronounced them correctly. I jumbled in my mind 'cause I was busy pretending I don't have no kind of agenda. And this month, my mind is empty, so I end up saying all these things I wasn't intending.